Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to make the super cute sunflower mini bag using 5 cleaner. It's easy, fine, and perfect for kids. And this is the materials that we needed. We will need orange pipe cleaners, brown pipe cleaners, 0.5 mm floral wire, thread, scissors and pliers, 8 mm beads, pastel colors, and cardboards. Step 1. Making the petals. First, take one orange pipe cleaner, cut it in a half, and set one piece aside. Twist the other piece as shown in the video to form a petal shape. Once done, combine and arrange them together until they form a complete petal shape. Then, tie the end with a thread to secure it. In total, I made 30 pieces petals. Step 2. Creating the circular base. Now, we need a cardboard to create the base of our bag. Now, cut out two circular pieces of cardboard. The size will depend on how big you want the bag to be. Since mine is for kids, I use outer circle 9.5 cm in diameter and inner circle 3 cm in diameter. Feel free to adjust the size based on your preference, or you can follow my measurement. After tracing the circle, carefully cut them out. Step 3. Attaching the petals. Take one circular cardboard piece and start attaching the petals around the edges. Follow the video for the correct placement. If the video is too fast, feel free to pause it. For a 9.5 cm circle, I use 19 petals around the edges. And for the inner circle, I use 11 petals. Make sure to position the petals opposite each other for a more balanced look. Then, apply pastel color to the center to add a nice touch and to cover the thread. Step 4. Creating the sunflower center. For the center of the sunflower, we will use floral wire to create a circular shape, as shown in the video. Gently pull and shape it into a ring. Secure it with a glue gun to make it sturdy. I used 2 brown pipe cleaners for the center. Any sharp wire end should be folded using plier for safety. Step 5. Covering the back of the bag. To give the back a neat finish, cover the cardboard with a fuzzy wire. I don't remember the exact number I used, but I just make sure to cover the entire surface. Step 6. Making the bag sides panel. Next, we need a rectangular strip of a cardboard to form the sides of the bag. Measurements: 21 cm length by 4 cm width. Before attaching fuzzy wire, punch hole on the both ends for the bag handle later. Follow the video to see how I covered the cardboard with the fuzzy wire before assembling the bag. Once the fuzzy wire is in place, use pliers to press the edges down for the smoother finish. Step 7. Assembling the bag. Now, attach the side panel to the flower-shaped front and back of the bag. Adjust it to your desired angle before securing everything in place. Step 8. Adding the handle. To create a handle, use 0.5 mm floral wire and 8 mm beads to it. Insert the wire into the hole made earlier and secure it by twisting the end with the pliers. If you notice the gap between the beads, simply tie a ribbon on the both sides to tighten them. This also adds a decorative touch to the bag. And here it is, the final look of our DIY sunflower mini bag. Super cute and perfect for kids. I'm sure your child or the person you're gifting this to will love it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to get notified of my latest upload. Thank you for watching, Crafter. Until next time, see ya!